So now we'll go to Azure account. So to log into the Azure account, we'll go to Microsoft 365 account and we'll type Azure. So we'll get Azure portal and it will ask us to log in with the credentials which we require. And then we'll go to subscriptions, and I have currently one subscription, so I'll be using this subscription. So to create another subscription, you can go to the next one, right? And then we'll go to the resource group. So the resource groups are like the place where we store the projects which are used in the same resource. So we'll create a resource group. So to create a resource group, we'll need to add the subscription and the name of the resource group, and then we should select the resource uh, location details, and then we need to create. So I have already created one, so I'll be using that. So here we need to create a project. So to create it, we need to go here and we need to type custom vision. So in custom vision, we'll be having the model. So we'll go and create the custom vision, and here we can use these options like for what this project will be used, like for prediction or for training or for both prediction and training. And we need to select the Azure subscription and the resource group which we created, and then we should select the region, and then we should give the name, and we should select the pricing tier which is a standard for this, and we need to give the review plus create. So as I have already created this, I'll move on to the further one, and here down we will be having the custom vision portal, so we can go over there, and here all the projects will be there. So to create a new project, we'll give a project name, and then we'll select the resource group and the resource which we want. So there'll be project types, means classification and object detection, and then there will be multi-label and multi-class. So we'll select the multi-label because there will be multiple tags per image also, and then there will be domains which we can choose, and default it will be a general A2. So we'll go and create the project, and now we need to add images. So we'll go and we'll add the images. So these are the images of cars. So let me add these, and we will tag it as cars. So it will be uploaded as cars itself, and all these images will be tagged in the name of cars. Okay, so now this has been tagged and uploaded. So and then we'll move on to the next set of images which we want. So we'll tag these as fruits, and we'll upload the images. Uploaded in this another document, it's another project. So now we have uploaded all the photos, sorry, pics, and we have tagged this, and we will train the model. So it takes around 10 minutes to get this model trained. So it will be published as this name, and we'll just upload one photo of any test data. So it has more probability for the trees. So this picture is identified as tree. So, and we'll be implementing this in the Python also. So we'll go on to the Python code prediction method from using the Python. So we'll be importing these modules. So this is the Azure Cognitive Service variant custom vision prediction one, and we'll be importing the custom vision prediction client so that we can use the prediction client uh, credentials. And then this is Microsoft REST API authentication uh, module. So from that we'll be importing API Greek credentials, and then we'll be importing OS also. And this is the prediction key and the endpoint of our project. And then this is the project ID. So for the project ID, we'll be going to the project, and this will be our project. So this is our project. So in this project, we'll be going to the settings of this project. So in the settings, we will be getting the project ID. So this is the project ID. It I come like copied over there, copied over here, and then the published name. Published name is the one which we get here itself. The performance it will be there as published as and the name. So that is the name which we'll provide there. And then this is the location of the images which we uh, give as input for the testing purpose. And this is the folder name in which all the test data is available, and this is the image URL in at the list of files, and this is the credentials which uses prediction key and the endpoint of the prediction project to log in. And this is the uh, place where the each and every images will be uploaded, and it will give the prediction for each and every pic which we upload. And in this the prediction results will be displayed. So like how much percent the image matches with the which person or the object, it will be giving the prediction. And this is the API, sorry, this is the function call. So now we run the project. So yeah, this is testing the image one. See, the image one is 47% car and 43% fruits and 41% trees. So according to this, the major or the majority of the percent of prediction is known as the uh, correct prediction. So we'll just go to the images and we'll just verify whether this is correct or not. So as per the given answer, the first pick was car. So yeah, it's a car. So its prediction is correct. So yeah, it will be working on each and every photo. So we'll be waiting for that.